So wraps work best with larger tortillas. This is a burrito-sized tortilla, and with an avocado that's ready to eat. So if your avocado still feels really hard and it's not ready, it's best you don't pack it. I also have some leftover chicken that's not enough for a whole meal, but just enough for a wrap here. So let's make the wrap first. I'm going to use a little bit of mayo at the bottom of my wrap. I'm just going to spread it. And the mayo is just going to help the other ingredients stick to the wrap. It acts a little bit of a glue and keeps it moist. After the mayo, I really like some crunch, so let's add a bit of shredded lettuce. You can use spinach or other green lettuce. And now let's put some chicken over the top, right in the middle. Now the chicken is cold, but that's okay. I'm also gonna add a little bit of tomato onto this wrap. You can keep the tomato or skip it. I love juicy tomatoes in my wrap, so I'm just gonna slice a few slices and I'm gonna place them right over the top. This is also a good time to sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper over your tomato, just like you would a salad, if you want to make it tastier, but no, it's totally optional. And now our avocado. Now, a lot of people wonder if this avocado will brown by lunch. Well, when we put avocados in a wrap, it does eliminate some of that exposure to the air. It keeps it nicely and tight. So it does slow down the browning process. But also, once it's wrapped up with all the ingredients, you're not gonna see it. Check out how nice and ripe this avocado is. And I just take my knife and I score the sides into lines, and then take a spoon and scoop it right out. And now I have nice avocado slices to put right over my wrap. And yes, I'm totally gonna teach you how to fold this and keep it nice and tight, but let me first grab my lunchbox and also send a couple of sides because a wrap is not always enough. So I've got some baby carrots, and I'm also going to grab some strawberries and put them on the other side. Now that I've got my sides in the lunchbox and my wrap is ready, I'm going to fold in the sides and then grab the back side, fold it over, tuck it underneath real tight, and roll it up. One quick tip is that if you're making this wrap the night before, don't slice it just yet. Take the wrap, put it on a plate, and cover it. In the morning, you take the wrap out of the fridge, then slice it and place it in the lunchbox. You can, of course, pack this the night before. If your wrap fits in the lunchbox without cutting, place it in there, put on the lid, and then take the entire lunch in the fridge and keep it overnight. In the morning, take the lunch out, take the wrap out of the lunchbox, slice it in half, pack it back in, and put the lid on. In the lunchbox it goes with an ice pack and any other snacks you want. Close it up, and this lunch is ready. The first thing to do is make sure that your crackers are packed in a separate compartment. I'm gonna place them in this bento. Mine has 3 compartments. There's many out there available. I'll link a few below for you, and I'm just placing them right here. Now the stacker is built with cheese, turkey, and any other deli meat you have around. So I'm taking some cheese slices that I've pre-sliced and placing them in the large compartment. Next to the cheese, I'm gonna place my turkey. This works with ham or any other deli meat that you may have around. I'm gonna send some veggies, and I just sliced up some cucumbers, and I'm gonna place them right here. All of these ingredients have moisture, so I'm placing them all side by side. And to add protein, I'm also sending a hard-boiled egg. If packing lunches is a struggle, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder for you in the description box. It's gonna help you build really quick lunches by mix and matching ingredients that you already have on hand. Now, since this bento container is a little small, I also have others around, but I'm gonna send some grapes for lunch, which I'll place right here. Now, if this is too much food for your kid, sometimes you have to pack a smaller lunch and a snack for later. That's why I love bentos, because they add nutrition and variety for either all at lunch or morning snack or afternoon snack as well. Now all you have to do is place the lid on this bento box and refrigerate it until you're ready to grab it. Put it in your insulated lunch bag along with the fruit and a drink. Zip it up, and this lunch is ready to go. Okay, so I made my incredible chicken salad recipe. This one, I made it super fast in another video. using a rotisserie chicken. I simply whipped up a super quick dressing with fresh lemon juice, mayonnaise, salt and pepper, whisked that well, and then separately in another bowl, I had a rotisserie chicken that I chopped up into big or small pieces, whatever you like, with some celery, with a little chopped shallot or red onion, and pour that dressing over the top. Mixed it super well until all the chicken was coated. Check it out, it's so good. And now you and I can use it to make this croissant sandwich. First things first, we're going to slice the croissant in half right through the middle. Now, because the chicken salad already has mayo and a nice dressing, it has moisture in it, I typically don't spread anything on my croissant. I just take 2 large green lettuce leaves and place them at the bottom to protect the base of the croissant from the weight of the chicken salad that sits right on top. And then I'm gonna take a few scoops, about half a cup of my chicken salad, and place it in the middle right over that lettuce. And then all you have to do is take that top half and gently place it on top. You can eat it as is by slicing it in half or packing it for lunch. Now, one quick tip if you want to pack it for lunch is to take a paper towel and place it at the bottom of your lunch container. It's going to help keep the sandwich fresh, and then your kids have something to wipe their hands with. I'm going to take the croissant sandwich and place it in my main compartment of the lunch container. I'm also going to add some strawberries on the side and some veggies. I've got some baby carrots right here. And then all you have to do is put your lid on your lunch container, add some ice packs in the bottom of your lunch bag, place the lunch inside, and you're good to go. See you guys in the next video.